This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with the iPhoneAppReview.com, and today we're taking a look at ScrumTotal, which is a really handy productivity app for iPhone. It's available to download from the App Store for free, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. So basically what ScrumTotal is it's a productivity app for developers that allows them to collaborate with their team all around the world in a really easy way. And if you've never heard of Scrum before, it's a productivity method that is targeted towards developers, and it's a way to assign projects to team members, tackle things in bits and pieces, all with the goal and intention of creating the final product step by step. So this is the admin dashboard of ScrumTotal, and when you first open the app, you'll set up someone as the master super admin, so to speak. This is the person that can basically control every aspect of the app. There's user management, like I said. You can create projects, which we'll check out here. You can create different projects for different apps, different pieces of software, etc. And one thing I do want to mention about ScrumTotal is it's a very comprehensive app. There's a lot of stuff to learn, especially if you're not familiar with the Scrum productivity process. One thing I do want to mention is when you first open the app, go ahead and check it out. This is the help screen that you come upon, and it just kind of guides you through the steps you have to take in order to set the app up, from creating a project, creating a team, and starting a sprint. And one of the things I want to mention is it's kind of tough to find your way around, especially if you, like I said, you don't know what the Scrum method is. So one suggestion I have is to create an interactive tutorial that walks users through the process of creating a project and managing it, basically assuming that the user has no idea what Scrum is nor how it works. This would be incredibly user-friendly because I believe that this app would really help software developers, especially if they don't know what it is. You don't want to discourage them because they can't figure out the app and how to use it. ScrumTotal also has a ton of different features. Like I said, the app admin dashboard. You can have reports set up for things like bugs and whatnot. You can also edit your team to include various users. You can check out your sprint, and as I mentioned before, sprints are kind of like bits and pieces of projects. You can add subnotes such as tasks, and you can delegate tasks to your users, or rather your team members, I should say. You can add things like estimated hours it'll take to complete it, etc. So ScrumTotal definitely has a lot as far as exploring the app itself. Like I said, once you figure it out, it's pretty easy to understand point A to point B all the way to point Z, but I really want to see some kind of interactive tutorial so developers and team members can spend less time learning how to use the app and more time actually using it. One important thing I do want to mention is ScrumTotal is available to download from the App Store for free, but you are running on a 30-day free trial, basically. You can see here ScrumTotal does function off of monthly licenses, and each license and month costs $6.99 initially, but you can change the number of months and the number of licenses you need. You can see here, so it's a great way to customize the license terms and whatnot for your team, and the 30-day free trial is perfect to make sure ScrumTotal is what your team needs and that everyone in your team is comfortable using the app. As far as overall thoughts on ScrumTotal, As a productivity app, it's incredibly fantastic, and unfortunately, I don't have a software developer perspective to see how well it works software development wise, but I'm a productivity app fiend, and I can tell you it definitely has productivity functionality as far as allowing team members to easily collaborate, complete projects, everybody stays on the same page, you can keep track of stuff, etc. It definitely has a ton of potential for helping software developers create projects and manage projects and complete them in a timely basis. Really, the only suggestion I have, like I said countless times, is a way to somehow integrate an interactive tutorial that assumes that the user has no idea what Scrum even is, walks them through everything. Again, ScrumTotal is available to download from the App Store for free and is designed for iPhone. This has been Sarah Hanlon with the iPhoneAppReview.com taking a look at ScrumTotal. Till next time.